2 minus 2 times 5 divided by 4. Some people do it like this. 2 minus 2, which is 0, times 5 divided by what? 4. 0 times 5 is 0 divided by what? 4, which is equal to 0. But this answer is very wrong, because according to PEMDAS says we have to do multiplication first. Since in this question there is no parenthesis, there is no exponent. So according to PEMDAS, we have to do multiplication first before division, followed by addition and subtraction. So we are following the rules from left to right. Okay, so now we are going to write the question again. 2 minus 2 times 5 divided by what? 4. So now we have to do this multiplication first. Okay, so bring down this minus sign. 2 minus 2 times 5 will give us 10. All right, divide by 4. Okay, now so I want us to write this in a fraction way. 10 divided by 4 can be written as 10 over 4. All right, this minus, bring it here, then write this 2 over 1 to make it a complete fraction. So now let's use our butterfly method to solve this. This will go 10 times 1 will give us 10. That's the first wing. Draw the second wing of the butterfly like this, right? 4 times 6 is what? 4 times 6 will give us, 4 times 2, this is not 6, this is 4. 4 times 2 is going to give us 8. Okay, put your 8 here. Let's draw the body of the butterfly. So I think my butterfly is very beautiful this time. So let's put the antenna. All right, so now 8 minus 10 is going to give us negative 2 over 4 times 1, which is 4. All right, so that's it. We have minus 2 over 4. All right, guys. So can we get a decimal answer? Yes, I think we can get a decimal answer. So let's draw the line along the visual line like this. Okay, so first of all, let's ignore the negative sign. Put your 2 here, put your 4 here, because 4 is dividing this 2. Can 4 divide 2? No. So put 0. Then add, put your point, then add 0 here. Can 4 divide 20? Yes. How many times? 5. 5 times 4 is what? 20. We subtract, we have 0. So our decimal answer is 0.5. So when we add the negative sign, because the answer was carrying negative, so our answer is going to be minus 0.5. So we have I have a miss in, can we call this a proper fraction? Oh, yes, I think it is. Then we have a decimal answer, minus 0.5. All right, guys, so I want to know in the comment section if we can get a mixed fraction for this answer. If you know there's a mixed fraction, leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.